for you. Look, Will, from the Kids Big Workshop. You want to go put this together? Give me 5.
Here we go,
Yeah.
it's me and you. Look at all the stuff we do. Going where all the big kids go. Going where we build and grow. I grab my hammer and my paintbrush at the Kids Dig Workshop. Diggy and me's up to us at the Kids Dig Workshop. I use my mind, I use my hands at the Kids Dig Workshop. I sing along and have all the plans at the Kids Dig Workshop.
All right, welcome back to the Kids Dig Workshop. What are we going to work on today, William?
Butterflyhouse!
William is excited and right. A butterfly house it is. You want to tear this open? Eat the pieces. All right, can put this off to the side. Okay, William's got it all torn open. He's off the table, so that's good. We've got our pieces. We don't need this quite yet. This is the front piece. This has got the slats in it. This is what's going to allow the butterflies to actually get into their new home.
And why? I know why there's yarns in it. So the butterflies can sneak in and get out.
That's exactly right.
In and out.
In and out. We've got 2 side pieces. We've got our holes drilled right there. We've got the back, and it's got a slight little angle on it. We've got our top piece, and then we've got our bottom piece. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to take our 2 side pieces and our bottom piece. So we can put these off to the side for right now. Shoot, I'm going to need to get a rope. I'm going to put a rope in here. So that one, put that up there. Okay. William, you want to get the nails out for us?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. This is a good time to always remember we want to wear our safety glasses. William's got his on. He's ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of glue on
Remember, put it in the pile so we don't use them.
Right, remember to put the nails in a pile so we don't lose them. We're going to put a little bit of glue. This piece is a little bit longer here and a little bit shorter here. We're going to put a little bit of glue on the shorter side, and then we're going to fasten our side right down into there, and then we'll flip that over and do the other side. So go ahead and put some glue on there, buddy.
Wait.
There you go, that's plenty. Whoa, there you go. Okay, so we've got plenty of glue on there. We're gonna put this on there and flush it up real nice. There's that. Need 2 nails. Pound that one in. Okay, one more nail here.
I remembered.
You remembered? Okay. So William's got the bottom piece hooked to the side. We're going to turn this over. We're going to put our other side on. Make sure the angle, we've got an angle here and an angle here. Just make sure they're going the same direction, and then we're good to go. A little more glue and we'll nail it in. Good job. We've got 1 longer nail in the kit. We're gonna wanna make sure we don't use that one until the very end. That goes into the top. William almost tried to use it right there. Okay. Now we've got this put together. What's that look like? Does that look like from Star Wars?
Yes.
What do you call that, X-Wing or something?
An X-wing class.
Yeah, that's right. So now we've got our front. We're gonna go ahead and put it on. We've got a slight little angle at the top, which is the same as the angle that's on these pieces right here. So when, excuse me, when we put that on, we're gonna want to make sure we have it the right way. If we put it on the wrong way, the angle is facing the wrong way. So we'll glue that on, and then we can nail it up.
Nail it up.
Is that a swing?
A swing. Oh, it decided.
Just kind of flush those up and true that up to the top angle and to the sides right here, and then we put in these 2 nails. Okay, now we've got the front put on, we've got our sides put on. We're gonna flip that over, we're gonna put glue along here, and then we're gonna put the back on. The back's the same deal. It's got that slight little angle set to the top of it.
So you need to use that down.
Okay. It's got that slight little angle at the top of it, so when that goes on, we're gonna make sure we have it the right direction. If it's the wrong way, the angle is facing the wrong way. So we'll put it over, make sure our angle is going right at the same plane as those top pieces are. Okay, now that we've got the glue spread right there, we're gonna make sure we put that back on, once again with the angle going the right direction. If we get it up in there, we'll line it up real nice and pound the nails in.
Pound the nails.
Pound them nails in. You go ahead and do those too. William's exactly right. Now that he's got the bottom all put together, we've got our rope that comes in the kit, and we're going to push it through these holes that are right here. Push it through that hole, and we're going to tie a knot on one side, and we'll flip it around and tie a knot on that side, and then we can hang it from the tree. We'll do that before we put the top on, so it's a little easier to get to. Okay, now pull tight. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. You got it. Pull a little bit tighter. Good job. Now pull that up, push that back through.
Now you can hold it.
Yeah, see? That's cool, William. Good job tying that knot. Okay, so he's got the knots tied. And now our top is what the long nail is going to be for. So,
and is there going to be a toy in there?
Nope, no toy. We're going to put something special in there for him.
What?
What do you think we're gonna put in there?
I don't know.
You think butterflies like candy?
Yes.
They love it.
What? Do you even know how to make them?
Mommy might have to do it. Okay, so the top, we don't want to glue this on. We want to keep this loose. We're going to use this long nail. So this long nail is going to go down through like that. And it'll allow us, we're not going to put it all the way in. We're going to leave it back out. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Don't put it all the way in. Keep going.
Yeah.
Farther. A little bit farther. So that's just enough to be able to twist this and open it.
Are these going to be the windows?
That's where the butterfly is going to go in. Here, hop in the chair, bud.
Why do you want
Here,
this
sit, get in the chair.
Why do you want that to open?
Because what do we need to stick in there?
Daddy?
Nope. We're going to put orange peels in there. If we put orange peels in here, the butterflies are attracted to that citrus, and they'll come and they'll raise their family there. They'll start a home. Is this going to be their home? And so we can hang it from a tree like this, or we could even mount it to the top of a fence post if we wanted to. We could do a couple different things with it. Now what do we need to do?
I don't know.
What's next?
Paint.
That's right, we're gonna paint it. So Will's gonna get busy. What color are you gonna paint it?
It's so much fun. We won't stop till it's all done. Planes that fly and boats that float. Piece by piece and note by note. Well, I grabbed my hammer and my paintbrush at the kids' dig workshop. Vicky and me, it's up to us at the kids' dig workshop. I use my mind, I use my hands.
Oh, that's pretty cool right there.
I sing along and I follow the plans at the kids' dig workshop.
Well, as William's starting to wrap up on the paint job here, we'll put some orange peels in here and we'll hang it out in a tree. We'll pick a nice branch and see if the butterflies like to move into our neighborhood here and spend some time with us. This is the last Kids Dig Workshop video we're going to shoot for a little while, so we appreciate everybody who's helped us and who's been there for us. You know, the Denmans and the Millers and Farrells and some of the different families that have done the projects.
I want you to do the west.
Yeah, you just have to do the spot right here. And everybody that's helped us along the way. Sam Meloragno for helping us with the shooting and the editing. Scott Rittenhouse and Matt Bliss have been really big help for everything that's been a part of this. It's been a lot of fun, that's for sure, but we're not going to do much more of them.
I want you to do the west.
All you got to do is this little spot right here, buddy.
I want you to do it.
Okay. Andrea Van Aerten,
Remember, don't mix
Johnny
my
Bennett,
time.
Sage Shari, my wife Jen.
Don't mix my time.
Well, then you do it.
Well, I just want you to do these parts.
A lot of people put a lot of hard work into this. Russ Taylor made an awesome song for us, and Jeff Nick helped out with a lot of the graphic design. I don't know if I'm forgetting anybody or not. I hope I'm not, but thanks everybody. I really appreciate the help, and you know, it's been a lot of fun, but we're just not quite doing as much of it as we wished we were. So you know, it's been a lot of fun. We'll keep on doing some projects. Gotta say thanks the most to William here. He's the star of the show, and we'll continue to work on these. We got a hot rod we're about to start building. What are we working on in the shop today?
I don't.
Remember we were working on it yesterday? Swing?
A swing.
A swing, right. So we'll be working on that in the shop, and we'll
And you know what?
What?
We're going to build my car on Friday.
We're gonna build your car on Friday? Oh. Well, it looks like we're gonna build an entire car on Friday, so we'll have to set some kind of record on that. But yeah, we thank everybody for being a part of the Kids Dig Workshop. It's been a lot of fun. And William, you want to say anything as we close out? Oh, looks like he's just gonna hit himself in the head and close this thing out. So we thank you for all this, for everything that everybody's done. And
I'm just going to that wood too.
You're gonna do what?
Get wood.
Get wood?
Yes.
For what?
Duty.
What are you gonna get wood for? What are you gonna build?
I'm just going to take the wood over in my truck.
William wants to load his truck up with some wood and take it over there. So once again, we thank everybody, and we're going to be moving on. We're going to keep on doing our projects, and can't wait to see you next time if there is a next time. So thanks. See ya.